Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindsay Peters. On my channel we talk about all things financial, saving, budgeting, and I do saving challenges from time to time, so check out for those. I also share my investment journey of stocks and shares and crypto with you guys as well. So in today's video, we'll be having a look at enterprise product partners. I'll be having a look at the company and also about the stock. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own stock research before you invest your money. I'm just sharing my opinion and my investment journey with you, but I'm not a professional investor. Enterprise Product Partners is one of the largest public trading partnerships and the leading North America provider of midstream energy services to produce and consume of natural gases, natural gas liquid, crude oil, refined products, and petrochemicals. Their services include natural gas gathering, treating, processing, transporting and storage of natural gas liquids, transportation, fractional storage and import and export terminals, crude oil gathering, transportation, storage and terminals, petrochemical and refined product transportation, storage and terminals, and marine transportation business that operates primarily on the United States inland and the waterway systems. So if you want to find out a lot more about them, you can go and have a look at the business profile, the management, competitive strengths, corporate governance, growth strategy, history, and systems map. So having a look at their operations, Enterprise operates to provide extensive reach for their customers. Now you can go into the pipeline service, the natural gas services, the crude oil services, and procurement services to find out more information about each sector, especially to find out more about the one you are interested. So if we go and have a look at the investors. So having a look at the current price is $22.93, but this might differ from my stock analysis as I did not record the video for the company and the shares on the same day. Here you can see it previously closed at $22.96 and it opened at $23.05. The current volume is 754,910. The market cap is 50 billion and distribution yield is a 7.85. Here you can get all the latest updates. So they show you when they've got virtual webcasts coming up and what is happening on them. You can also get the latest news and information on the company here. If you want to go and deep dive more on all the investor information, you've got your overview, your financial profile, distribution, reinvestment plan, dip price summary, unit price information, SC filings, calendar and events, news releases, master limit partnerships, offer certificate, presentations, non-GAAP financial measures, the distribution payment, email notification and requests. But let's go have a look at the distribution payments. So here you can have a look at all the dividends that they've paid. This year so far they've paid 45 cents for every quarter, for every share. And if you look back you will see this is an increase. If you're getting value so far, please smash that like button so it turns blue, as this will help me with the YouTube algorithm and I would appreciate your support a lot. And please make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you would like to get your own free shares in Trading 212, I'll leave a link in the description below that you can use to sign up. I'll definitely recommend if you live in the UK to sign up for an ISA account. The reason for that is that keeps all your money safe from taxes. So all the growth your portfolio makes means you don't have to pay any taxes on it and you can invest up to £20,000 in your ISAs per year. So having a look at Seeking Alpha, Enterprise Products Partners, ticker symbol EPD, is currently trading at $22.56. So having a look over the last 5 years, they are down -6%, but they have been trading around the 30 mark. And with everything going on last year, March, they took a big dip, but as you can see, they have slowly started going back up. So the 52-week range is $13.60 to $23.71. The forward PE is 11.14. The market cap is 48 billion. Now if we scroll down, you will see SA authors are bullish, Wall Street is bullish, and Quadrant is bullish as well. The value is a C, growth is a B minus, and the profitability is an A. Now this company is in the energy sector. Industry is oil and gas storage and transportation. They were founded in 1968 and they are in the United States. So if we have a look at the revenue, 2016 it was 23 billion, 2017 it was 29 billion, 2018 it was 36 million, 2019 it was 32 billion, and then last year they took a big dip to 27 billion. And the estimated for 2021 is 28 billion, and estimated for 22 is 29 billion. So earnings per share, you can see the dark blue ones was the ones that they were estimated, and the light blue ones is the ones that they actually got. So apart from 2020, all of them beat the estimated. So having a look at profitability, gross profit margin is 21%, EBIT margins is 22%, net income margin is 13%, return on equity is 15%, and return on asset is at 5.46%. If you have a look at momentum, the S&P 500 has done better over the last year, but EPD has still grown 54% over the last year. If we have a look at the capital structure, the market cap is 48 billion, total debt is 30 billion, cash flow is 1 billion, others is 1.12 billion, and enterprise value is 78 billion, and the current trading volume is 2.64 million. The average volume is 8 million, and it previously closed at 22.26. So if we have a look at the ownership, institutions are holding on to 30% of the share, corporations are holding on to 0.2%, corporations privates got 32%, individuals and insiders are 0.4%, public and other is 37.36%. So if we go and have a look at the dividends, you will see the dividend yield is at 8.09%, annually pay out $1.80. The payout ratio is 90.05, which is a little bit high for the sector. The overall growth over the last 5 years is 3.13%, and the dividend growth has been for the last 22 years. Now it pays out 45 cents, and this is a quarterly paying dividends. If we have a look at the dividend history, you will see the dividend growth is for the last 22 years, and for the sector it's 0. And dividends paid is for the last 12 years, and for the sector it's 11 years. So looking at Yahoo Finance, you will see the market cap is 49 billion. The forward dividend yield is $1.88, and it's 8.09%. So if you have a look at the earnings, you will see they beat the first earnings last year. They just missed the second quarter earnings. They've met the third quarter earnings, and they really missed the fourth quarter earnings. And we're waiting on the first quarter of this year's earnings. If we have a look at the financials, you will see they are still in the green, even though with everything going on. And their earnings is in the green as well. If we have a look at the recommendations, you will see it's a strong buy, a buy, and just a few holds. The overall recommendation rating is a 1.6, which is between a strong buy and a buy. If we have a look at the annualized price targets, it's currently at 22.52. The low is at 24, the average is 27, and the high is 33. So if we go and have a look at the holders, if we have a look at the majority holders, you will see 32.59% of shares are held by insiders, 30.96% are held by institutions, and 45.93% is a float held by institutions, and 1,116 institutions are holding these shares. So if you have a look at the top institution holders, Blackstone Group is holding on to 73 million. Goldman Sachs Group are holding on to 37 million. The Bank of America Corporation is holding on to 16 million, and BlackRock is holding on to 16 million as well. If we have a look at the top mutual funds, then the BlackRock Equity Dividend Fund is holding on to 12 million. Then the American Century Equity Income is holding on to 8 million. Goldman Sachs is holding on to 5 million. So this company is a buy for me. I bought 10 shares when the price was 22.24, so I'm already in a profit even though I only bought these shares yesterday. And I do think this company will do well in the future. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.